All right, hello everyone. As from Central Kabbalah, welcome to yet another video on TBC. And I just want to give you guys update on what's going on in TBC. Like I promised you guys, I promised to be giving you guys update from the private blog since the TBC admin monetized the blog. So I'll be sharing that information with you guys. And secondly, I will be assisting those who want to pay the admin fee, okay, because they want to be part of the Bitcoin bounty. And most importantly, those who want to learn how to promote themselves and do the Bitcoin bounty and make money, I can help them with my ebook on how to be able to market themselves on social media. Okay, so if you need any of these three services, I'll still do a video elaborating on the services I'm going to offer the TBC members while I focus on my own project full time, which is TMT. Okay, currently the MAT token, also known as TBC MAT token. Now the TBC this time does not mean the billion coin. Okay, so I don't offer exchange service to the TBC members. I don't offer shopping service to the TBC members. I only help you guys on the blog section, information on from the blog chat section, with paying your admin fee if you don't have Bitcoin or Ethereum to pay the admin fee, and also on how to be able to do the Bitcoin bounty, because it doesn't make sense you are spending money right now that everybody is holding cash to pay admin fee, but you don't know how to make money after you've paid your admin fee through Bitcoin bounty. So without much ado, let's just review the blog. Okay, so the latest information here, there is no recent information apart from the fact that April 1st is another first day of the a new month. So anybody who pays the admin fee on April 1st will still get 30 million, yeah, $300 million worth of TBC. That's 30 TBC. Okay, so that's the information, because mostly what is here is information about the coronavirus, and most especially conspiracy theories. Okay, I won't ask you guys to heed to them because it creates panic and takes away your sense of judgment and sense of thinking, and allow fear to take over. There's no need to panic over this pandemic. There's no need to be afraid of this pandemic. There is no hostile takeover going on. Okay, the whole world is suffering same thing, and the only thing we can help and do for our fellow human beings is not to spread false information, conspiracy theories, and most importantly to stay isolated and quarantine yourself, and most importantly wash your hands. Okay, so nothing, as you can see, nothing much here. It's just conspiracy theories, mark of the beast, cryptocurrency, stuff like that. More proof that coronavirus is common cold. But meanwhile, you see thousands of people dying. Okay, so it's more than just common cold. Okay, so there's nothing much here between 27th and today being 30th. Okay, we are one day away from entering the 1st of April. So if you have not paid your admin fee and you want to pay, okay, and you want to pay because you want to make money through the Bitcoin bounty aspect, or you want to be getting information, or you want to be part of the team A of the mass adoption team, whatever it's your agenda is, and you want to pay your admin fee, I can always assist you with paying the fee through Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, or through bulk credit. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Just want to share it with you guys, and if you have any updates, if you have any questions, ask me. But please, questions about exchange and shopping 100% should go towards the TBC admin. My only services I'm rendering, I've already shared with you guys, and I'm still going to elaborate it in another video I'm going to release sometime today. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being loyal. Thank you for tuning in every time I release my video. Until I see you guys next time, thank you. Bye for now. And most importantly, stay safe.